perform at saka recording. Hindi lang naman voice ngayon ang kailangan para mag-recording. Di ba naging hit ang fitness video mo? Andun ako. Nung nag-hit ko rock. Then there are inspirational verses gaya ng kay Ate Chris.
Our next awardee has made so many breakthrough records in his career. He has won last year's Breakthrough Recording Artist of the Year because of his 5 times platinum status of his album, Wish I May. In 2016, he elevated himself to another whole new level because he has reached the very rare diamond status for the same album this year. Males Recording Artist of the Year, Alvin Richards.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dante Llarena.
Prince and Princess of Philippine Movies, Alvin Richards and May Mendota, also known as Alva.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Rosalie Sarmiento and engineer Janela Maricor Chonco.
Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa pelikulang Imagine You and Me. To our writers po, si Sir Aloy Adlawan and Sir Renato Custodio, sa mga producers po namin, GMA Films, ABP Films po, and sa aming pong director, si Direk Mike Tubiera. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of me, sobrang saya po namin to receive this award. And this year po, meron naman po kayong naabangan. So abangan nyo lang po yung next movie namin. And to everyone po, and to our supporters, maraming salamat. Mahal namin kayo. Thank you.
My stalker! Hi, Ian!
Hi, Iha!